How to fix Skype audio out of sync. To fix the Skype's audio out of sync issue, first of all, you have to understand that the Skype application has been discontinued as of 2025 and it has been fully integrated into Microsoft Teams. To use this feature within the Microsoft Teams, first of all, you simply have to launch the Microsoft Teams application on your device. Then tap on your profile icon on the top left corner of the screen, then head to the settings. Once you're here, you simply have to go ahead and then open the audio and video option from here. However, it is not showing up over here because I'm on mobile device, but if you are on computer, you should be able to find it over there. You simply have to go ahead and tap on it. From there, you should be able to find the low bandwidth mode. Go ahead and tap on this feature. And then your incoming video resolutions should be slightly scaled down and also reduce the calculation button on your processor. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.